Okay, so as you can, this is the Scheppach HS81 unboxing. As you can see, I've already put some of it together here. You've got the safe lever thing. Push. This is attached on here, as you can see by these two screws go on there, and this just fits in here, slides along. I've already done this side, just needs to be tightened up, and I'm just about to put the last bit. The legs are already attached as well, as you can see there. I'm just about to attach the last bit there of the platform. And I've got the screws there. And they just go in here, either side, on this side. So you come around this side, you can see this is where the dust extractor goes. So you got this one, which attaches to the top here. I've already raised the blade, so you can see where this is gonna fit there and there. You raise the blade by using the little wheel at the front, like so. And just the last little pieces. I will tighten those up in a minute once they're all in place. And the last one. We'll tighten those up in a minute. Okay.